Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to reset Safari on iPhone. First of all, you can open the general home settings on iPhone. I can already open the settings. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the option apps. At very last, tap on it, and here you can just simply search Safari. Now tap on the Safari, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and now you can tap on advanced, and here you can see the option website data. At very first, tap on it, and now you can just simply scroll down, and here you can tap on remove all website data. Now you can tap on remove now, and this is the way you can reset Safari on iPhone. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.